Originally, we cut a load of these trees back here because when the big Yagi comes over, it was getting in the way, number one. And number two, we've got a 160-metre prototype vertical right on the top of this thing, and we just had to take some of the trees away. Otherwise, we couldn't get the blooming thing down. But my camera is obscured by trees. So when I'm in the shack and I'm rotating the Yagi, I can't see what it's doing. Since I've got a camera, I want to be able to see, so we've got to chop some trees down. But I've got all my protective equipment with me, got my special boots, so we're all ready to go. Oh, it's a spindly one first, that one there. And then there's a funny one. Where's that? I'll show you the nasty one. From this camera here, you see, we look up to the Yagi. There's this big sticky outy thing, look. It starts its life just above that top cut. And it really does stick out. It's like a blooming jungle in here. Right, I might make a mess here, but you know, tough. Where do we come in from? Let's get rid of this one. There we go. Should be able to see now. There's one spindly one left, look. But, as they say, there's 100 ways of skinning a cat. There's quite a few comments that say, oh, hire a man to do this, hire a man to do that. I mean, I hire people at the house to do things because I can kind of guarantee we're going to be there. But we're a three-man business here. And if I hire someone to come in next Tuesday morning, one, he's going to be 2 hours late, because that's the UK for you, probably because of traffic, or the fact that he broke his tyre and wheel on a pothole. And the other thing, I can't be guaranteed, well, one, I can't be guaranteed of the weather, and two, I don't know if I'm going to get called into a meeting or have to go and solve a problem. So it's very difficult for me to hire people to come and do things, which is one of the reasons that all my constructions are designed around a one-man build, right? So I've done all this as a one-man band. I mean, I've had some help periodically, but in the main, I just do it, on my own. Right, I've got a live stream coming up now, which is it's awareness of men's mental health. And I applied for GB88 MMH. So I'm going to be doing that for the next 10 minutes. I will see you another day, guys. Enjoy your radio. Keep your hedges down, all right? Sort out your trees, and always wear your protective boots. All the best now. Bye for now.